Good morning, all of you. So, last two class we discussed about the anglism property of quadrilateral. Okay. So, two methods we find out. First method, take a quadrilateral and divide that into two triangles. And already we know the anglism property of a triangle. What is the angle sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So when we take a quadrilateral, we can divide that quadrilateral into two triangles, and sum of that two angles, sum 180 plus 180, we will get 360. And one activity also we done to prove that the sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral will be 360. Okay, now another polygon also we can discuss about. First we know triangle. What is the sum of the three angles of the triangle? That we know 180 degree. Now if it is a quadrilateral, any shape quadrilateral, so its angle sum, that also we find out how much? 360 degree. That is 180 into 2 triangles we got. That we got by drawing a diagonal. Okay, so only one diagonal we can, two diagonals, we split that into two triangles. So this sum will be 180, this also 180 degree. So we will get 360 degree. So here we can find out how many sides have here. For a quadrilateral there are four sides. So 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. That we got it as 360 degree. 4 minus 2. This we got as 360 degree. How we got its answer? Here the quadrilateral have four sides. So from that 4 we subtract 2. We will get 2. Then 2 into 180. See, it will be 2 into 180. That is equal to 360 degree. Now if it is a pentagon, okay, when we find out the angle sum of a pentagon, here also same method we are doing. Split that pentagon into triangles. So how many triangles we can form in a pentagon? We can form 3 triangles in a pentagon. Okay, by drawing that diagonal. So first it will be 180. This also 180, 180, 180 plus 180 plus 180. Okay, so here how we will get that? That we know how many sides for a pentagon, that we know 5. From that number of sides we subtract 2, then that multiply with 180. That will be the angle sum of a pentagon. 5 minus 2, it will be 3. 3 into 180, it will be 540 degree. So the sum of the total angles of a pentagon, it will be 540. Now if it is a hexagon, for a hexagon we know how many sides have? 6 sides. So we can divide that into different triangles. So here we got 4 triangles. So its angle sum will be, from the number of sides, total side 6. From that 6 we subtract 2. 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. So it will be 4 into 180. 4 into 180 we will get 720 degree. So the sum of the angles of a hexagon will be 720 degree. That much we want to know. For a quadrilateral 360 degree, for a pentagon 540 degree, and for a hexagon 720. Now suppose if you got one polygon with n sides. So okay, n side polygon. We don't know correct number. So if any number of sides polygon, we can find out its angle sum using this equation. So if it is an n side, how we can find out a polygon with the n side? Its angle sum will be how much? What we want to take? If it is 6 side, we got 6 minus 2 into 180. If it is 5 sides, how we took? From number of side 5, if this number of side is 5, from 5 we subtract 2. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. Just like if it is n side polygon, if it is an n side polygon, how we can find out its angle sum? N minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, so the angle sum of a polygon with the n side, it will be n minus 2 into 180 degree. For this equation we can find out all sides of polygon. If it is, now suppose if it is a polygon with 10 side, how we can find out? So 10, instead of n we can give that 10. 10 minus 2 into 180. If you want to find out the angle sum of a polygon with 25 sides, how we can find out? 25 minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, so this equation all of you want to by heart. The sum of the angles of a polygon with n side, that will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Very important. All of you study and by heart and mark, put in a box in your notebook. Okay, very important. Related to this angle sum property, some questions we want to do from the textbook. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. Okay, some angles only given, some 4 figures. We want to find out some angles. Only some angle is given like this one. One figure you look. One quadrilateral. First given a quadrilateral. Its sides is given. This and its angles are given. This angle is 50 degree and this angle given 130 degree and third angle given 120 degree and fourth angle is not given. Then how we can find out this angle x? Very easy. Using angle sum property of a quadrilateral, we know the sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral, it will be how much? 360 degree. So to find out this x from 360, we are subtracting these 3 angles sum. Okay, so x will be equal to, otherwise we can write using angle sum property of a quadrilateral, 550 plus 130 plus 120 plus x equal, the sum of these 4 angles, it will be 360 degree. Okay, so then add the given angles, 50 plus 130, 180, 180 plus 120, 300, 300 plus x equal 360 degree. Okay, so x will be equal to what? 360 minus 300. So that is x is equal to 60 degree. So the unknown angle x we got as 60 degree. So using this angle sum property, we can find out the unknown angles like this. Now second question, you know, question 2 from the same exercise, question 2. Or question B, the figure is this. So it is given here, this angle is given x and this angle is given 70 degree and this is 60 degree and here it is given as, it is a right angle 90 degree. So only given 2 angles. We want to find out the unknown angle x. So if you know this angle, then only we can find out the value of x, because the sum of these 4 angles that we know 360 degree. But here it is not given, this angle is not given. So any method how to find out to this angle, find out the angle of this. Can you imagine? Yeah, that we learned. What is this angles? This is a pair of linear pairs. If it is 90 degree, if this angle is 90 degree, what will be this angle? Because the sum of these 2 angles will be how much? 180 degree, because it forms a linear pair. Okay, so this angle also will be 90 degree. Then we can find out the remaining angle x. This angle we can find out by adding this 3, then subtract from 360. So 90 plus 60 plus 70 plus x, that will be equal to 360 degree. So 150 and 220 plus x equal 360 degree. Therefore x equal to 360 minus 220, that's equal to 140 degree. Okay, then just like some more questions are there. Question C and that also we can do. Question C. Remaining 2 questions you can do as homework. Question C also. If any doubt, you can call me and clear your doubts. Figure is this. Okay. Then it is given, this angle is given 60 degree and this angle is given 70 degree and these two angles is given equal. These are two same equal angles and this angle is given P. Then what will be this value of these angles? So this also which polygon, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. What will be the sum of these 5 sides? It will be, if it, the angle sum of a pentagon is 540. So when we add these, this not given, this angle also it is not given, this angle also we don't know. The sum of these angles, 1, angle 1, angle 2, then x plus this angle is given how much? 30 degree, not P, it is 30 degree. The sum of this angle 30 plus x plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle x, that will be equal to 540 because the angle sum of a pentagon is 540. But we don't know how much is the angle 1, its measure is how much, how we can find out. So this also form a linear pair. If this much is 70 degree, what will be this angle? It will be 180 minus 70. So this angle is 110. Okay. Just like the sum of these two angles, that is 60 plus angle 2, that also will be 180 degree. So 180 minus 60, this it will be 120 degree. Okay. Now sum of this full, that means 110 plus 120 plus x plus x, that we can write it as 2x plus 30. What will be its sum? That will be equal to 540. Then take this sum, 110 plus 120, it will be 230. Okay, 230 plus 30, 260. That is 260 plus 2x equal 540. Okay. So 2x equal what? 540 minus 260. That's equal to 4 minus 280. 2x we got 280. So what will be x? X equal to 280 by 2. That is 140 degree. So these two angles measures are both are equal. Even so it is x is equal to 140 degree. This way we can find out the unknown measures, angles of unknown measures using angle sum property of any polygon. To find out the angle sum of any polygon, we can use the equation n minus 2 into 180. If it is n side, its angle sum will be n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay. Thank you.